Hello everyone and welcome to this video guide. I will show with you step by step how to activate your Aldi SIM card in Australia. So friends, if you want to activate, go to Google, search for this keyword. As you can see here, click on this first result here. This is the first website. You will see this page. This is activate a SIM. To activate your SIM, choose your SIM type. In this case, eSIM or physical SIM. I confirm device is eSIM compatibles, new number or keep my number. Write your click new number here and then click next. After that, you will see your details here. From this details section, just wait, write your titles, your ID, your middle name and first name and your email. Confirm, write your old details here and then write your address. After that, recharge your SIM. So basically, this is how you can do. To complete these steps easily, just write your old details here, your old card details, and then click recharge. So basically, this is how you can do. When you go to recharge, choose your type of SIM and then click activate. So basically, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you.